Top trading edge, folks. Today 13th August, Sunday, and fresh new week starting. And let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like. All right, so this is your daily chart right here. Each candle represents one day of the work, and as you can see right here, S&P 500 right now testing the 50 SMA right here, and we little bounce right here. So there was a gap here. Market did try to fill up the gap on Friday, and we are sitting right there on a 50 SMA. But if you take a look at right here, the MACD pointing south, and as you can see, there's a lot of distance between the MACD and signal line pointing south. We are in the bull territory, folks. We have not entered into bear territory, but looks like market has just started flowing downside, as you can see right here. So if you take a look at this area, for example, look at here, highlighted solid volume, market was going up, and then look at that, market went down right here, and then you can see the solid red bars here. Similar situation, there is a squeeze coming in, and red bar started building up. The MACD, it looked like super bearish. What does it mean? Well, most likely we could break the 50 SMA, folks, right here. When? I'm not saying it's gonna break on Monday. No, I'm not saying that, folks. We need to find out. But right now we have a downside tip coming in. So, folks, there is a very less buying ahead of this week. In this week, this is coming week, S&P 500 buying, which is very less, almost 2 billion, but sellings are between, if the market sells up, it could go to 26 from 20 between 25 to 80 billion dollar. If market really sell off, then we can go to 80 billion. Sell order can kick in. Depends on it how market could react on this coming week, folks. Okay, so that's my analysis. Okay, you have to do your own due diligence, folks. Do not react on what I'm saying. But once we break the 50 SMA, we could go lower here. But there could be a market could set up a trap and do the lot of drama, folks, because you remember these are event. 50 SMA is the event, and market loves the event and create a trap and then hang on for 2-3 weeks, and people are holding their hopes, and then they change the direction and do the real direction. You follow? So you got to be prepared for everything. Market maker, they do dirty games, correct? But overall, in a couple of weeks, I would see that market wants to go lower. Okay, so not couple of weeks, this week market wants to go lower. That's what it looks like this week, not couple of weeks. This week market wants to go lower. It could bounce, could be one or green day also, and then kaboom can happen, or they can go lower, boom, kaboom 2 days, and then can bounce. You follow? Anything can happen here, but sell orders are higher. Okay, keep that thing in mind. So right here, that's what technically look like. Let's take a look at a little short frame. So as you can see here, 30-minute charts, take a look at it. All right, so what you see here is a lot of resistance around here. As you can see, every time market trying to bounce, we got a rejection at 450 and we sell off, but we have a tons of support area at 445, and market is keep bouncing from them right here. These are the smart money. You see this? That's your smart money sitting here. So this is the area, critical zone. We need to wait this. If this breaks, then we could go lower, or it could bounce here and we could go test. Most likely, folks, we have several times tried here, but we still need to wait for this trend line to watch out, folks. So maybe a day or two, we're gonna have a testing this trend line somewhere here, and then we could go lower, something like that. I can see on here. Okay, so this is your demand zone, folks, right here. This demand area is very strong, several times over here too. So if you apply a supply demand class right here, this is your demand zone. Market is testing soon, and if it bounce, then we could go a little higher. But if get a rejection, I mean, if the demand zone flip and we could go down, absolutely. So that it depends on the machines, right? All right, folks. So machine has to kick in. If the sales order comes in, then machine could go and sell off. If machine bounce, then probably it could little bounce. So this is your demand. So this is we are at the junction, right? This is the junction where we don't want to go first. Let the market maker go first, and then figure out. We are not in the middle. We are not at the top. We are at the demand area right here. This is where we need to decide. So market could create some drama here before they go to real direction, folks. So watch out. This is weekly narrative I'm talking about, because this is very critical area to decide. But if you look at the daily right here, absolutely we want to go lower, and we're gonna break this 50 SMA. When? That's not what I'm not talking about tomorrow, okay? Because people are depicting for Monday. No, it can be happen, it might not happen Monday, because market believes, market likes event, and 50 SMA is a clear event, every trader looking at it, and that's why they could create a trap, right? That's why. So but other than that, folks, just let the market decide what direction they want to go. So and then we go move forward after once they move in, right? So join, folks, if you want to join the community. Right here we have a WhatsApp group. Right here we have almost 900 people in the community, folks. If you want to join the community, join, folks, right here. And we post our trades here. Look at that, all the trades I post here too. You can join too, right here. Okay, and how to join, folks? Next upcoming week I have a request for a lot of classes to be finished. So trading view trading view setup drawing class, then we're gonna have supply demand class, then we're gonna have a financial fundamental, we're gonna have macro, we're gonna have intraday. A lot of classes, folks. Okay, so this week I'm available, we can finish those classes. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, folks, right here you can scan this barcode using your camera. You can open your camera and you can scan this. And if this scan doesn't work, I'm gonna put a description link in the YouTube descriptions. You can click on that and you can join the group. It's a free of charge, folks. This is WhatsApp group I have created. Every day, folks, I go live morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock, live streaming, free of charge, folks. So if you want to join, once you join this WhatsApp group, you will exactly know what and all cooking. All right, until then, folks, so see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks.